guys, we are back. Today video I'm just gonna show you guys how we cook. Sometimes we go out, like when we on the road, right, we don't really have the don't have like picnic table. This is how I come up with this idea. My cooking station. This is a piece of plywood, 2x4. I bought it at Home Depot and I have them cut it to 39 by 40 inches. So and then I don't have to do anything, when it's cut right, I just wipe it off, clean it up, and then I bought the picnic table cover, so it's waterproof anyway, so you can wipe it off, when this it get dirty once you when you clean out when you cook it, so a lot easier. So I staple it, and then okay, let me pull it. So I need to pull with 2 hands. Okay, so I need to pull with 2 hands. It's pretty tight because with the bed. And this is like wire for picture frame as well. Is I bought it 10 feet, my about 6 to about 7 feet that I need, but if you cut it long, right, you can tie it at the end and then do just like mine. And then and I bought the S-ring hook. This is about can hold 150 pounds. This way. And look at that, how it is. Pretty good, right? Yes. Okay, this is our setup. So look, it's perfectly just good, perfect. This house table, wood stove, and on the side, my cooking things, all that. So what I need, I put everything out here. And when I cook right done, I put stuff away empty, and then we can eat, or do some watching movie on this. So if you guys like our tip is DIY, it's so easy. I have no experience at all. You don't really have the space for all that. You just want everything compact and then fit everything in your car and with your stuff or things like that. So you try to go to the idea that, hey, would help you pack less but in efficiency. If you guys like this idea, please give us a like, subscribe us, that would really help us to support us to have more camping or more traveling. I am a single mom. I never introduced myself, so my name is Amon. This is Mary, my daughter. She's 10 years old. So this is how we want to do. We want to go out on the road if we can, and also if we can afford to do that as well. We just want to go out and spend quality time together, and then to get to learn all that, out in the nature. And then so as we go, I try to figure out how I make things easier by, fixing, adjusting, organizing. So this is one of those. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.